welcome back. Welcome back to Aman Fisher Tech channel. As always, it's a pleasure having you here. It's great, it's awesome. Maybe I should lower some test. So now we started recording, so let's go like that. So what we got today here? Today we got a couple of boxes to unbox. We are wait a moment. The unboxing knife, must have for the unboxing. So I'm gonna start from this tiny one. Let's see, and on store. To me, of course. Let's see. Just checking the focus. This camera works perfectly. So here we are. We have a baggie. We have a nice baggie. I want to use a more precise knife right here, right now. Let's see what we got here. Today, here we got a piece for me. As you can see, this is my S8. As you can see, there's a completely missing back glass. It's pretty bad. It's pretty bad. So the chassis is black, as you can see. Ta-da! And this back glass, well, this back glass, which is right, have only the plastic. The plastic cover is on the wrong side. No big deal. So it's red purple actually. It looks pretty good. And there's even written Samsung on it. Jesus. Pretty satisfied. So later I'm gonna fit it on my own Samsung S8, as I told you, as you've seen. Oh, big chunk of glasses are falling from this bad boy. So we're gonna remove some, and I'm gonna apply some cover, because I want to preserve this screen, which actually is pretty good. So this one shipping for my own phone. And then we got this other shipping actually for me. I'm gonna take this, our good old friend unboxing knife. I'm gonna unbox it all. Let's see what we got here. So actually today I brought order in my office here in my lab. It was actually pretty messy. Yeah, I'll make a video because anyway, pretty soon I'll move from here. I'll go another place, and of course I'm gonna talk with you old fellas, and I'm gonna explain this thing. So I can see already something pretty nice. The bag, the container, it's pretty solid. There's a battery inside here, and this is a pretty good seller. As you can see, the package is good, pretty tough. You can see immediately we got a couple of pieces here. We got an iPhone XS camera, very nice. We got an iPhone XS back sealing. As you've seen my dress anyway, I'm gonna move soon. Just wait to upload this video. You got me, folks, you got me, fellas. So let's see what we got inside of here. We got something that popped out of the container. We got a pretty straight battery, pretty huge. This is the battery for the iPhone XS, which is massive. And these are the tabs for the sticker for fitting it. Nice. So here we got a bunch of stuff. We're gonna do some things today, of course. And I guess that first things first, I'm gonna do the iPhone. So see you then when it's time. Bye.